Are you looking for the ultimate grilling experience in 2024? Join us as we dive into the hottest grills on the market. From portable powerhouses to backyard beasts, we've got you covered. Let's find the perfect grill to elevate your BBQ game. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Kamado Joe Konnected Joe. This is a high-tech ceramic grill designed for precision and convenience. It arrived in a hefty 180-kilo crate, requiring assistance for setup. Assembling the cart and aligning the grill proved challenging, and connecting it to power and the Kamado Joe app added to the setup complexity. With its striking red ceramic dome and digital controls, the Konnected Joe stands out. It features a digital screen, control dials, buttons, an automatic fire starter, and 3 meat probe ports. The built-in fan and app connectivity offer precise temperature management and remote monitoring. The grill excels in slow cooking and smoking, delivering juicy, flavorful results. The app-controlled temperature adjustments enhance the cooking process, though the ceramic's heat retention can be a minor drawback. Overall, it's a top choice for grilling enthusiasts seeking high-tech features. Number 2. Napoleon NK14 Portable Charcoal Kettle Grill. This tabletop grill impresses with its sturdy, compact design, making it perfect for outdoor grilling. Its classic kettle shape ensures even heat distribution, while its portability is great for on-the-go adventures. Assembly is straightforward, despite the picture-only instructions. It takes under 30 minutes to set up. The black porcelain enamel finish is stylish and weather-resistant. Although it lacks a lid rest and the latches feel a bit flimsy, the removable grill plates and ash catcher make cleaning easy. Lighting the grill can be challenging in windy conditions, but once fired up, it quickly cooks food with a delightful smoky flavor. It's easy to pack away after use, thanks to its rapid cool down. Number 3. Weber Genesis EPX-335 Gas Grill. If you're searching for a top-tier grill with outstanding design, the Weber Genesis EPX-335 is a great choice. Moving and assembling the Weber Genesis EPX-335 requires some effort, but the large cabinet for gas canisters and cooking supplies makes it worth it. Note the plastic plug on the door, which feels a bit flimsy. The stainless steel construction is robust and high quality, featuring a large cooking area with 4 burners, including a powerful sear burner. A secondary grill allows for indirect cooking. The side tables are spacious for prep and serving, and tool hooks add convenience. However, the stainless steel finish shows smudges easily, so regular cleaning is needed. The grill offers even cooking once you get the burner settings dialed in. The whole chicken came out with crispy skin and juicy meat, while the sear zone gave my steaks a perfect finish. Its versatility is a standout feature. You can swap the cooking grate for Weber's custom accessories to bake, steam, roast, or stir-fry. Number 4. Napoleon Freestyle 425 Gas Grill. This is a compact, high-quality grill that's durable and easy to assemble. Setup is quick with clear instructions, and the grill's sturdy base with wheels makes it easy to move. Its sleek graphite gray porcelain enamel finish looks premium, while the heavy cookbox and lid come with a 10-year warranty. The grill features a warming rack, spacious cooking area for up to 26 burgers, and cast iron grids that create signature sear marks. Although we faced initial ignition issues, the grill performed well once sorted. It heats up quickly, but has a cooler front area and temperature drop when the lid is opened. With some practice, it cooks steaks beautifully and a whole chicken in about 1 hour and 20 minutes using indirect heat. Number 5. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. This is a portable gas grill designed for easy setup and transport, making it perfect for outdoor cooking, camping, or tailgating. Assembling the Weber Traveler takes about 15 minutes, though attaching the wheels can be a bit tricky. The grill might need some help moving due to its weight. Featuring a sleek black and chrome design, the Weber Traveler is both durable and stylish. Its lid locks automatically when folded, and the rubberized wheels handle various terrains well. Compact enough to fit in a trunk or back seat, it includes a solid side return for plates, utensil hooks, and a side table. With a single burner that heats up to 500 degrees, the grill excels at cooking steaks and burgers. However, it lacks precise temperature control for very low settings. It performs well for straightforward dishes, easily serving 4 to 6 people at once. So, which grill reigns supreme in 2024? After careful consideration, the Kamado Joe Konnected Joe takes the top spot. Its versatility, durability, and smart features make it a standout choice for any grilling enthusiast. But remember, the best grill is the one that fits your needs and preferences. Happy grilling!